everyone, it's the watch guy, and today I'm going to show you some budget watches under $400. So at this price point we can get quartz and automatic watches. Not a much, but first the Tissot PRX in Tiffany blue. Like, it's a classic watch. I love both of the variants. Like, the second variant is this pinkish dial, but it looks classy, and the second is the Citizen Eco Drive Green Military. It goes for around $210 with 100-meter water resistance. It's a lot. Another good watch is the Seiko Sur 3777-1. It goes for under $330 and it's classy. And a sports watch, I'll say Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is just very good watch, and the features are eco ECG body analysis, 5G, and a 2-day battery. That's all I want from this watch. Another good watch is a Timex M79, the first automatic in this list. It comes under $220. I found one for $300. It's automatic, 40 millimeters with a 200-meter resistance. It looks absolutely classy, going for the Rolex Submariner look. So guys, add this. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.